Are you brave enough to take on the plunge at Danao Adventure Park?
Are you brave enough?
Not really.
This is the only adventure park in Southeast Asia that has a canyon swing. And for someone with a fear of heights, this was not easy.
Any kids at home watching, I apologize for any language. Oh my god, horrendous. Oh, I'm not happy about this at all. Don't look down, right? Don't look down.
How are you already?
I'm super.
Take the one, bombs away.
Bums away. Is the scariest thing I've ever done in my life.
Coming soon to our channel, our full day at Danao Adventure Park will be released this week. Already on our channel, you can find our videos for the two biggest theme parks in the Philippines, Enchanted Kingdom and Star City, which includes POVs of all the major rides. In a few weeks, we'll be releasing our video on zip lines versus roller coasters. What's the best way to get an adrenaline rush in the Philippines? Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it, and we will see you in the next video.